So I didn't get to do an intro yesterday, but just the fact that it was raining, this vlog is gonna be sick. Este video va a salir bien chingón porque armamos un motor bien rápido con el equipo en un día. Y pues la neta todos ponimos manos y a limpiar este motor para que se mira bien chingón. So this engine is badass, man. Performance wise, we went ahead and put them long tube headers. We put a badass manifold. Bro, this engine is beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna name it the Iron Man block, the LSX. But this thing is not a 6.0. And you guys will find out in the next vlog when we slap it on the truck. This thing is gonna be a monster. But man, if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more future content. And I am gonna be putting on my nitrous kit on my truck in the next vlog. So peace and love, baby. I love all the support. Damn, my boy, tell them what's gonna happen.
Oh, you know we coming out hard this year.
We're gonna do a, hold on, let me show them. So right now, we're gonna turn this mess into beauty. We're gonna give it that razzle dazzle, huh, my boy?
Yep.
Yep.
You know, go clean it out real quick, paint it, give it a little touch up, give it that Wicho touch.
Damn.
Look, clean it real quick.
So we're gonna go ahead and take this all apart with el compa Kevin, and we're gonna go ahead and give it this touch because right now it's not beat up, but since we're gonna put it on the truck, we want it to look nice, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a touch up.
See how it comes out.
Alright, you guys, so we're gonna give you guys a little process on this engine build right here on my compa. So we already took off the alternator, we took off the water pump, and then what was the other thing we took off? The AC. So yeah, and then
Right now we're taking off the engine mount.
and after that we're gonna go ahead and gonna give the engine a real good clean, make sure everything is clean, taped up, and we're gonna go ahead and give it that nice touch up so it can look to the finest. Hey, what color are you gonna paint it?
Purple like Wicho's truck.
Oh, with silver too?
Yeah.
Hey, that's right.
Purple and
Hey, what is that in the thing?
gas.
Gas?
Gas everything.
Gas. Oh, go, el fast guy, Mike.
See, I got.
Hey, Kevin, why are you holding it like that though, bro? Si te gusta.
Disrespect me like that again, fool, and I'm gonna light your pro on fire, dude. I mean, niggas not doing shit. Huh? No, just air, pucho. No salió gasolina. It throws gas. It throws look. He throws air before it throws gas. Look. Woo! That nigga too looks like that nigga's legs on fire. So he don't feel.
Tenemos otra troca que ahorita vino, compa Kai. La step side.
Motor could just spin like nothing. Yeah. If it wants to. Are they tight? It should be. Oh shit, it has oil. 20 grand ain't gonna make himself. Ain't laughing, bitch. Hey, that's just a bad ass.
That's a bright ass red, to be honest. I think it looked clean when you had the silver. Since we didn't have time to go to AutoZone and this is what we only have left, we only have 2 reds right here at the shop. And then we're just gonna go ahead and do red, but a better, brighter red, like the Ferrari type red. And then we're gonna go ahead and add silver up here and then red on top with a badass manifold. So y'all stay tuned if you guys like this content, man. It's only gonna get better from here. So we're gonna go ahead and paint the whole engine, the oil pan, the block red, and then on top we're gonna paint the heads silver, and then the tops on the heads we're gonna go ahead and paint those red as well with a badass manifold, huh? Huh, compa Kevin? We got the light man right here. We ended up finishing the bottom of the engine, and right now we're gonna go ahead and paint the head silver to give it that pop on the red. So we make sure to mask it all around so we can hit the silver. Little update on the engine. Right now, right here with my boys from the performance shop and Kevin. I'm gonna give them a little tag right here so you guys can follow them as well. And I just want to show you guys the little process of how we did it from the beginning and after, but we're still gonna go ahead and add a badass manifold on top. So man, stay tuned. If you guys, yep, just to give that pop, and you know, man, my boy gonna be one sick ass engine, bro. Let's get it. Because we're still gonna have to make sure everything is good. We're masking it up right now, but so far we went ahead and did the oil pan red, the block red, the head silver, and then we're gonna go ahead and mask it all up so we can paint red right here, so it could actually pop very nice with the manifold. Huh, Kevin?
Yeah.
Hey. We just need this little part right here that we didn't get to paint. We weren't really gonna paint it, but then we were like, oh, it needs red. Because when we put on the manifold, it's gonna be able to see on the bottom. So we would want to get that red too. So it could go basically like from the whole block. And then we have the valve covers. We took them off, but we painted them down there. We took them off because we decided to paint them again. I think it looks badass. Red and silver accent. Just wait on the manifold. We're gonna go ahead and let it dry, and then we're gonna add it right now in about 15 minutes. I don't know what's up with what is my boy Mike doing over there. We're about to go rob somebody. Look at him. Who shiesty? Yeah. But right here we already went ahead and we put the covers back on the heads, and the compa right here about to make sure the screws are on right. So no se caen, ¿verdad?
Huh?
So the screws, so the thing will fall. El compa bélico Mike over there, mira. Sheesh. Hey, ¿para quién trabaja? Oh, Spencer. I quit. We're leaving. The block is almost done. We're gonna go ahead and add the headers, the long tube headers that we do sell here in the shop. So if you guys are ever interested, just go ahead and hit the DM and we'll get you guys right. So check it out so far. We still gotta go ahead and put on the long tube headers on the other side, and on top still gotta put on the manifold. But I'm kind of scared. We put on the headers. Sheesh, I'm got the mask. We run off with the headers.
Hey, do you know this has a broken bolt? Shout out to the performance shop for these headers. Thank you. These don't fit me.
Alright, they should fit.
No, they don't. They do fit. So my boy's struggling, but if you want it done right, hit up the performance shop.
Sheesh! My boy wanna go get the manifold. Show him what you got, my boy. Damn. Take a look at it.
See how it's gonna look.
Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. That's gonna be looking nice. Whoa! What do you think about it?
Look at that.
That's go hard.
Now look at these.
How you like the engine so far?
Iron Man. That's
Iron Man is gonna be called the Iron Man. Hey, low key, it came out dope. So we got the long tube headers. We just bolted them on for 2 bolts just for right now until we actually slap it on the truck. But so far it came out dope, you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to stay tuned with more builds. We also got this manifold. We sell everything right here at the shop, you guys. So even these long tube headers for any make, year, model, we do sell them right here at the shop. So make sure you guys hit us up. But let us know under the comments, what do you guys think about this build? I think it looks beautiful, to be honest. Out with the old motor, and we're in with the new one, the Iron Man. Hey, you like how it came out?
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah?
I got down.
I think it came out bad, bro. To be honest, it looks beautiful. Can't wait to see this thing running, though.
What I did? What did I do?
Alright, so right here we're at the shop and we're fixing the engine block. Y pues, la neta les cayó muchas policías. Mira, damn. It's crazy. And then según uno se corrió para allá, las tenían detenidos y uno se fue rápido, pero nomás agarraron uno. Ay, ay, ay. Pues, la neta, todavía están buscando el chavo. Oh my God. Oh. Who? Oh, look, this is the fool who ran off on the cops. Fucking took. Hey, this fool took off on the cop, way. Mira como huepa. Ey, así mero. Ey, uno, dos. Ay, ay. Ey, güey, juegas mucho Fortnite, güey. Ese baile es de Fortnite, güey. Ey, dicen si tienes los calcetines altos o bajitos. You get a side check, you. A ver, levanta los calcetines. Ah, no. Te la subiste, güey. You know the down güey. Huepa. Ay, huepa. Huepa. Get him. Huepa. Matando las cucarachas.